Are you looking for information on water softeners? Water is essential for all living things on Earth. There are however risks involved in ingesting the wrong types of water. Drinking water that is contaminated or that comes from a tainted source can put your health at risk. Studies have revealed that the water found in most countries, including the United States, is hard. Hard water is shown to contain a variety of mineral particles of limestone, lead, magnesium, iron, sulfur, and calcium. Water that comes into your home may also contain bits of sewage waste contamination and harmful industrial runoff. Laws are in place to minimize the number of negative elements found in household drinking water to help ensure the safety of water. However, as seen recently, these regulatory systems can be neglected, leaving household water to become undrinkable. If you keep on using this water without filtration, it may begin to cause a deterioration in your health. There are several water conditioning systems that can be put in place within your home or business to help prevent contaminants from ending up in your drinking water, including water softeners, water filters, water purification systems, and water conditioners. If you are a little confused about whether you should install a water treatment system for your home or not, here are 7 reasons to help you evaluate their importance. Ring us as soon as possible for some information on water softeners.